This tasty Mediterranean pasta makes 3 to 4 servings with just around 400 calories each, depending on the portion sizes. Pretty great for something this flavorful. It's not just healthy, it's budget friendly, easy to clean up using just one pan, and totally flexible and customizable. Use any kind of pasta you like. Penne, rigatoni, regular, gluten free, keto friendly, whole wheat, chickpea. Well, you get the picture. I have included links below the description to different types of pasta to fit your preference, so check them out if interested. Craving more protein, tossing grilled chicken or shrimp, and if you want to keep it vegan, chickpeas and a good plant-based feta cheese would work perfectly. You have got tons of options. Make it your way and enjoy every bite. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. For more recipe inspiration, I invite you to check out my other videos, and don't forget you'll find a quick recipe summary plus links to some great gluten-free and keto-friendly pastas as I mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, and as always, take care.